Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Lego piece that looks something like this. So you should have a new Part Studio file that should look something like this with 3 planes. And I will start a new sketch on the top plane. I will hide the front and the right planes. Right click the plane and view normal to sketch plane. Center point rectangle. Escape. Dimensions 5 inches by 6 inches. Name base. Create. So it looks like this. Extrude. Click on the feature. We want to extrude maybe 0.25. That looks better. Create. Actually, I want to name this extrude as base as well. Green button. I want to turn to see the bottom of my face here. And I want to start a new sketch on this plane. Right click, view normal to sketch plane. I'm going to use a feature called offset. It's a very useful feature. Before I start using it, you can read the directions. So you have to select the lines that you want to use for the offset. So before I use the offset, I just click on the line, left click, hold shift, left click, and left click. So my 4 lines are selected, and now I want to use the offset feature. So it automatically assumes that it wants to increase my rectangle by 0.25 inches. However, I want to decrease. So I'm going to put negative 0.25. And I'm rename the sketch. Very good. Remember, I'm at the bottom of my object. That's the bottom plane. Now I want to do extrude, and I select my sketch, and I want to extrude a little bit inside my box, maybe 0.15. So I think it's this direction. Let me see. Oh, maybe this direction. Okay, I'm not sure I can see it. Oh, I see what I did. I did it wrong. I added. I have to go back and I have to remove. Click this direction, 0.15, this direction, remove. I want to rename it as offset. Okay, let's see. Right click. How does it look like? It looks fine. Maybe 0.25 is a little bit too much because I'm just using my memory of a Lego block, but it's okay. I think it's fine. Now I click isometric. Next, I'm going to create a new sketch and click the top face of my box. Right click, view normal to the sketch plane. Center point circle. And go here, pull, escape. Dimensions, click, 0.15. No, I think it's too small. Double click, 0.25. That's better. I'm still seeing the blue circuit, which means circle, which means it's undefined. It's not constrained. I have to dimension it relative to both sides of my object. I'm going to click on the center and on this side right here. Let me zoom in a little bit and pull. So I'm going to click on the center and on this side right here, pull to the side and put 1/2 inch. I'm going to click on the center, click on this line, pull up, and do another 1/2 inch. And rename it bump. Extrude, choose the bump, choose 0.15, and add, and click. Right, so it's not too high. Well, it's a little bit too high. Yeah. How does it look like? I think the circle is a little bit too small. I don't remember what I had for the circle. So I changed the the diameter of the bump to 0.4 inches. Now I have to go to the linear pattern. Let me show the linear pattern. It's this one. Then instead of part pattern, I have to choose feature pattern. Then features to pattern is going to be my whole thing. Make sure you select the whole thing. Extrude 1. Okay, direction. So distance 1 inch is in between the bumps, and the number I want to choose 4, but I'll see, maybe 5. I don't know. Let's do 5. And direction. So let's see, try this direction. Okay, it didn't work. It went that way. So let's change the opposite direction. It looks fine, but I want to do second direction. Click here, direction. Let me see. So that one I click this way. So I want to click this way. Okay, and the number I want to do maybe 6. Let's see. Oh, you see, I have to click the change direction pattern. So it looks good. Linear pattern 1, green button. Okay, so then you can change the appearance. Good job.